scientists. We are doing some shadow exploration this morning. It is about 9:15 in the morning, and I've got my son Jacob here. He's standing with his toes on the line on the crack of our driveway, and you can see his shadow standing there, and I'm going to ask him to hold real still. I'm going to trace his shadow, and we'll measure to see how long it is. Jacob standing there. And now I have a tape measure, and we're going to measure to see how long his shadow was. Obviously, if the shadow is facing this way, the sun is back that way. It was behind him, and the sunlight's trying to shine on the driveway, but his body was actually blocking some of the sunlight, which is what created the dark shadow. And now we have the outline of the shadow. So, Jacob, would you hold that at the feet? It might stay right there. Hold it at the bottom. You come zoom in on the measurement. All right, so this one goes 6 feet is right here. All right, Jacob, let go. I'm gonna hold my finger there. We're gonna have to move it a little bit more. 6 feet, and it looks like about 10 more inches. So 82 inches. Okay, it is now 12:15 in the afternoon, and I'm noticing there was the shadow we traced earlier this morning, and look what's happened to Jacob's shadow. I didn't know you got shorter in the past 3 hours. How did that happen? So I have green chalk this time. We're going to trace him again. Hold still, son. Okay, go ahead and move. Quite a different shape shadow, or different size. Let's measure how long that is this time. Measure to about where his feet were. 30 inches. You got much shorter in these past 3 hours. All right, guys, we're back outside again. It is now 3:15 in the afternoon. The yellow outline is where it was at 9:15. The green one was at 12:15, and I want you to look at where Jacob's shadow is now. It's moved completely behind him. So let's go ahead and trace this one, Jacob. All right. And there's his new shadow. That's interesting. And let's take a measurement. Let's see. Looks like we are right around 40 inches now. All right, it is now 6:15 in the evening. This will be our last check. I want you to notice Jacob's in the same spot. And whoa, Jacob, your shadow is now completely off the driveway and into the grass.
It's taller than me.
It is taller than you. How did you grow that much over the day? Let's see. I'm not sure how I'm going to do a chalk outline in the grass. I think what I'll do is come put the piece of chalk at the top of your shadow, right about there, and we'll measure to that, all right? step away if you want. Will you hold that right there? Let's see. So that's 72. I'm going to put my finger there. You can let go. And then come do it again. So we'll have to add these two parts together. So just hold that right there. 72. Plus, oh goodness. I'll move again. 72. What is 72 plus 72?
144.
Good job. 144 plus 34 more. So let's count by 10. We've got 144, right? 154, 164, 174, and 4 more is 178 inches. Why do you think your shadow got so much bigger?
I think it's because, the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. So when it's directly facing me from that way, it makes the shadow really tall there. And when it's facing that way, because it's setting now, it makes me appear really tall.
Exactly. So early in the morning, the shadow was really long. And then late in the day, it's even longer, really long. But in the middle of the day, your shadows were much shorter because the sun was more ahead. But the sun doesn't move.
We do.
We do. We rotate. This is proof of the Earth rotating, which makes it appear that the sun is moved. The sun was behind me this morning, and now the sun is way over there.
You will always go.